Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have TWT Trust Wallet Token Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day. Let's start with TWT. So right here eventually the 2.30 is the resistance level. You can see that every day we cannot close above, right? We cannot close above these lines. We can get to the next one, which is the 2.83. However, we have something that is quite bullish right there. Okay, and I'm going to the lower time frames to explain what is going on. Personally, we got rejected in the daily frame. In the 4-hour frame, you can see that we closed above, right? But at the end of the day, the daily frame is what we want for it to close above. Anyway, despite the fact that getting rejected right here, we might be forming a bullish pattern. Now, the bullish pattern could be the case that we are going all the way up higher to test the 2.83. You can see that we are having right here a lower high pattern in which we kind of closed a little bit above here, okay, and the higher low pattern right there. This is a bullish pattern formation, however, we have to wait and see a little bit the targets as we explained. If you want to make it sure that we are going all the way up to the 2.83, then it's fine. From the 2.30, sorry, then it's fine. Okay, if you want to stay in after we close above, and if you want to open a long position after we close above the 2.30, I think that this is the best idea and this is the best thing you can do. However, someone could be a little bit more risky trader and he would say that, okay, I'm going in right now, okay, and he would like to go in. What I advise you to do in this case, if you want to go in right now, it is to set a stop loss around the 1.99 to USDT, around there. A little bit further down from it would be the case. For example, 1.95. If you want to get into a long position right now, set a stop loss at 1.95. Now, TWT, always remember, that has a very huge high risk rate here due to the fact that we have the RSI being in a hugely overbought situation, and we might be having right here a bearish pattern after a downtrend. Okay, you can see the patterns in the RSI as well, not only in the price analysis but in the technical analysis. So this is why we are saying that 2.30 is very critical to close above in the daily frame, and if we do not do that, we cannot go to the previous targets. Now we will go into the previous targets, okay, if to the 2.83, for example, to the 3.33. If we close above the 2.30, we have said that. But what happens if we get rejected? Let's say, for example, that we cannot form a bullish pattern. We are getting rejected right here multiple times. Then we are going to go back down to the 1.6565. It will be the next support level that TWT will be going, and it will be going with a huge correction, a huge crash coming in of around minus 27%. Okay, so be careful after that. But at the end of the day, the fact that we are holding these levels right here and we didn't crash, for example, on 15 November 2022, we didn't crash there, it is very good. Okay, the fact that we didn't crash at this date right there, it is very good, and we are going sideways. It seems like we are ignoring a little bit the risk metrics. We are having the price analysis going sideways, maybe forming a bullish pattern in the lower time frames, and we are ready to go higher. So that's why I'm saying that despite the fact that we are closing below every day, TWT seems to be quite strong, right? You can see that it's going sideways, wants to close above as well. Very strong. Anyway, I want to see what the next thing will be for TWT. If you want to secure and minimize the risk, just stay and go in after the 2.30 in the daily scale, closing above. You can see that we crossed the line, but we haven't closed above yet. We crossed it, but we haven't closed above. The body of the candlesticks are below the 2.30. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.